My AC died during the hottest week. Here's who saved me. So I'm literally melting in my house and my AC just completely gives up on me. I'm panicking because every other company I called either couldn't come out for days or wanted to charge me just to look at it. Then my neighbor tells me about Diamond's Home Services. These guys showed up the same day, actually showed up when they said they would. Super professional, flat rate up front, no surprises, had my AC running perfectly in 2 hours. But here's the crazy part. They guarantee their work with a fixed right promise. If it's not right, they'll make it right, period. And they're locally owned right here in Massachusetts. Honestly, I wish I'd found them sooner. If you need HVAC, plumbing, or home services, go to diamondshomeser.com or call 617-335-9264. Trust me, you'll thank me later.
Enhance your indoor comfort. Call 617-335-9264 or visit www.diamondshomeser.com to explore our HVAC services and let us help create the perfect environment for your home.